6 Process Automation Options. Robotic process automation is getting high traction as it's being implemented in businesses of every industry. Companies that master automation will dominate their industry. RPA is a better way to start with automation journey. But automation is not just RPA. In this video I'll explain 6 process automation options that can be implemented in your business. Number 1. Business Process Management. BPM. BPM focuses on improving corporate performance by managing business processes. It uses various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and automate business processes. Use of workflow capability to integrate business processes across multiple systems is a BPM method. Number 2. Desktop Automation. Automating rule-based business processes and IT processes using simple bots or macro recorders. Excel VBA Macros are best example for desktop automation. Also, there are many desktop automation tools are available now with advanced features. Mostly business processes can easily implement desktop automation by themselves without the involvement of IT team. Number 3. Robotic Process Automation. RPA. Robotic Process Automation is an enterprise-grade automation. Next level to the desktop automation. RPA can replicate the tasks exactly how a human does, with front-end system-to-system integration. We have a lot of quick videos on RPA topics. Feel free to check it out to learn more. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notifications on RPA updates. Number 4. Intelligent Automation. Intelligent automation is next level to RPA. In intelligent automation, RPA has the ability to learn the judgmental activities. It learns the judgmental activities by observing human users processing the requests. Whereas in RPA it just mimics the activities exactly how a human does without any judgmental ability. Number 5. Cognitive Automation. Again, cognitive automation is associated with RPA. In cognitive automation it uses cognitive computing capabilities and artificial intelligence. Unlike other types of AI, such as machine learning or deep learning, cognitive automation solutions imitate the way humans think. Cognitive automation brings intelligence to information-intensive processes. Number 6. Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a much advanced area of computer science. In artificial intelligence, a computer, or a computer-controlled robot, or a software is made to think and act intelligently just like humans. A self-driven car is one of the examples for AI capability. AI capabilities are being tested and used in many areas and industries including process automation. So, whatever industry you are in, you have to master automation to be a leader in your industry. We at AskKD can guide you in your automation journey. Feel free to contact us. Happy to help you.